I know a lot of people think black cake is just for Christmas, but that's a myth. Black cake is used to celebrate any celebration, and today we're celebrating another collab with Caribbean. So first we're going to start off with our dry ingredients. So in a bowl, I'm adding flour, sugar, some mixed spice, which is cinnamon, nutmeg, and clove, baking powder, and salt. I'm going to combine these and set it aside. Let's get started on our wet ingredients. So here I have 2 cups of soaked fruits that has been pureed, and if you notice, it is paste and it's not watery, so that's what you're looking for. For some reason I thought I hit record on this next segment, so it turns out I was doing everything else without recording, so I'm gonna just walk you through. So here I have the mixed fruits with eggs, vanilla, lime juice, and lime zest. So now I'll be adding my burnt sugar and melted butter. If you like your cake a bit lighter, you could add less browning. So now we're just going to give this a mix, and once that is done, should look like this, and we're going to add our wet to our dry ingredients in increments of thirds using the cut and fold method. Once everything is combined, it should look like this. And now we're just going to add a mixture of rum and wine just to lighten the batter up a little bit. So this is about 1/3 cup that I'm using. So now we're just going to slowly mix in this rum and wine mixture, and once that is completed, we're going to add our batter to our greased baking pans and allow them to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to about 55 minutes, or until a toothpick or knife comes out clean. Once the cakes are finished and still hot, you want to go in and saturate that cake with some rum and wine mixture. And you do this probably a couple times throughout the day. If you're planning on keeping this cake for days, you may want to baste it every day or every other day until you're ready to serve. Now, after all of that hard work and waiting, now it's time to enjoy a slice. So this is the perfectly moist black cake, perfect for any time of the year, any celebration. I hope you guys give this recipe a try and let me know if you like it. Bye.